Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the EDeN Spike renderer. And today I'll be using a console test, server and client, just for convenience of the test. However, I strongly recommend using Python interface for the client and for the server training environment, especially when you're inspecting how an entity is reacting and evolving to stimuli. So, before we get started, as you can see here, we are going to be running the server as console. That's loading. And now we're going to run the client. So as we progress, you can see spikes on the bottom along the log. So max spikes is currently 10, medium is 5. And you can see as we progress each phase, the green lights here are spikes happening in each neuron. And if we select any area, we get some information. So the last propagation and on what propagation it spiked, the location of the terminals, axon terminals in this case, or indeed dendrite terminals, positions, etc. We have input links, output probe information, and when a input link in this case is stimulated, it will glow golden yellow. We also have a helper information here to explain that same information. Rotation on the right hand side with a UI scale. So this is a basic renderer just to show you how the entity is doing as it reacts to stimuli. Because this is a test, we're not running real data, we're just stimulating randomly, and we're not really plugging in many good hyperparameters for the neurons to change their genetics or evolve or change, which means we have a very static grid here. So as we progress, you can see the spikes, but you can't see the movement of the neurites as they evolve, which will hopefully change when you plug in your hyperparameters. Other than that, we have a few backgrounds to play with, as shown. Or if you don't want anything, there you go. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope this tutorial has been informative. Any feature requests or improvements, please let me know. If this seems out of date compared to the version you currently have, please don't worry. Things will improve over time. And any of your feature requests, please don't hesitate to contact via the online website portal. And if you know me personally, feel free to contact me the best way you want to. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.